Here I have HTC U23 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Battery Saver. So you can switch this mode just like this. By holding a finger on this button you can access some of its settings. So for example, you can set a schedule for it based on your percentage, and you can also set it to turn off automatically when device is above 19% charged. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.